Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to leave or remove yourself from a theme in Canva. So start by opening your Canva app and make sure you're logged into the correct account. So once you're on the home page, tap the menu icon. So this is usually in the lower corner. From here, you'll see your account and theme options. So tap on your profile or current theme name. So this will show you all the themes you're currently part of. So now choose the specific theme you want to leave by tapping on it. So this will be mine. So once you're inside the theme, look for the settings. So again here, settings, and then tap that to open more options, and then scroll down until you see theme profile. So then tap the leave theme. So this is the leave theme, and then a confirmation message will pop up. So just tap leave theme to finalize. Then after that, you'll no longer be part of that theme. So if you're a theme admin, um, and want to remove someone instead, so go to the members section, tap on their name, then select remove from theme. So and that's it. That's how you leave or manage a theme in Canva using your iPad. So thanks for watching.